Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I finally got a furniture project done. I've had so many tries and fails of trying to get a piece done the last few months, and I've been so busy. I finally got one piece done and I'm excited to share it with you. I'm actually editing the video right now as we speak. Well, as I speak, you're watching this after it's obviously already done. But I'm so excited to show you guys. I don't even know. I can't explain about how busy I've been with freelance work and social media stuff. It's finally feels so good to be back in the shop and just working with my hands. So anyways, today's video is a chair, which it's kind of an ugly chair, but we're going to try to update it a little bit and make it a little bit nicer. We're stripping it and then staining it, and hopefully the cushions go with the new stain. You guys tell me. At the end of the video, you'll see final videos and pictures, and you guys let me know what you think in the comments. So here's just a quick video of everything I got off an auction, and I was just going to show you I got the chair that we're going to work on today and a few other things. That's where I have been getting most of my furniture lately, is off auctions. You little furball, did you get a haircut? Did you get a haircut? So here is some before videos and photos for you guys to compare at the end. Hopefully you guys think it looks better. We'll see. Okay, it's been a long time since I've been able to get back to some furniture. I don't even remember what the last video was. I will when I'm editing this, but right now I haven't looked back to the last video. I'm gonna finish the chair today. So I have a little piece I need to sand, and then I'm gonna stain the dark, black kind of stain, and then probably let it sit overnight to dry completely, depending on how many layers of stain I put on, and then put the cushions back on. So let's get started and get at least one piece of furniture done. I am using a stain from Minwax called Ebony. It was supposed to go on black, but as you can tell, it's very light brown. I'm not sure why. After that layer dried, I came back with a dark walnut to really darken this up. I was just going for a really dark look. didn't turn black like I thought. So I added dark walnut, and that's kind of mainly what you see. And now I'm gonna add another coat of ebony. I let that dry, and now I'm adding on the cushions again. And I wasn't really sure how this was going to turn out with the dark stain and kind of bright brown cushions, but let me know what you guys think in the comments when you see the finished product. I just need to clean up the cushions and wipe them down. I'll take some better photos. So here are some of the final photos. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. What do you think of the stain, as well as what do you think of the cushions and the stain together? Comment down below your thoughts. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited to start getting back to furniture again. I will also be posting vlogs, don't worry, and any travel trips that I do. So I just have a lot coming up. And I am trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before a few other YouTubers are, and I really want to win. So if you're not subscribed, please go down and subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. Just hit subscribe and maybe you'll get notifications if you turn the notifications on. But other than that, it's free. Just go hit it. Please, 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 please. I want to hit 10,000 by December. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a great day, night, morning, whenever you're watching this. I hope it's just great. Bye.